Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best glass food storage containers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Glasslock 11292 Assorted Oven Safe Container. When buying them, they come in 18 pieces which include different shapes and dimensions. All of them are oven and microwave safe. Thus you can warm your food with fear. They are also leak-proof and airtight. If you want to store another thing than food, that is the best choice for you. You can recycle them because they are BPA-free. So if you're going to freeze your food and keep it for long, these Glasslock 11292 Assorted Oven Safe Containers are the best. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Rubbermaid Easy Find Lids Glass Food Storage Container. They come in a set of 22 containers that are easy to use. The tempered glass making these containers is safe for use in your microwave, oven or even freezer. The lid is secure to seal with a single press, thus making them airtight. The containers and their lids are of the same size, thus making the work of finding lids easy for everyone. These containers come in different sizes from the largest to the smallest. At number 3, we have the Prep Naturals Glass Storage Containers. With Prep Naturals Glass Storage Containers, you have the freedom to cook your food at home and store or carry it to your working place. If you are not satisfied with the quality, you are free to return them and get a full refund. Under normal conditions, Prep Naturals glass storage containers are very durable and easy to use. They can be used in a microwave, oven and even a freezer. At number 2, we have the Kinetic GoGREEN Glassworks Glass Food Storage Container. The Kinetic GoGREEN Glassworks glass food storage containers are one of the best in the market. They are made in a way that makes them resistant to extreme conditions, thus you can move them directly from the oven to fridge straight. The glass container is safe to use, and it can be used to heat food. The only thing you need to do is to remove the lids and cook your food. And finally, at number 1, we have the Utopia Kitchen Glass Food Storage Container. The Utopia Kitchen Glass Food Storage Container is good, and it looks nice. In most cases, lids fit well, thus easy to snap off and on. When buying them, they come in 9 pieces which are extremely suitable for many functions. With the lid, these glass containers can be heated up to 400, thus suitable for heating your food to any temperature. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.